Hello, do you tell lies? Do you fight with people? Do you have bad thoughts? Are you all good? Why I am asking these questions? I am going to tell you something about being good and honest. This is the story of Uncle G. We call him Uncle G. Uncle G lives in Bombay. Now you can say Mumbai. Uncle G is very good man. He will never tell lies. He will never think bad for others, will not fight with others, and he will be very, very good and honest. What will happen if you are good and honest? What will happen if you never tell lies? That I am going to tell you. Once Uncle G traveled to Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam is a city in Andhra Pradesh. We can call it Vizag. Okay. So Uncle G from Mumbai, he flew in an airplane to Vizag on office duty. Before landing in Visakhapatnam, Uncle G messaged his wife saying that I will be very busy till late night. I have a lot of office work. So you please don't disturb me. Don't call me. Don't disturb me. As soon as I land in the airport, I will call you and inform. So auntie said, okay. She was waiting for one call from Uncle G from the airport. So the plane landed in Vizag. Uncle G called his wife saying that he landed safely. Auntie happily went out for shopping. After some time, after maybe 10 o'clock in the night, Auntie was thinking, is uncle still working? Why there is no call? Then she tried calling his mobile. But to her surprise, uncle did not pick up the call, but someone else. A boy picked up a call and he said, who is this calling? I am having this mobile with me for the past 5 hours. Auntie was very confused and she was surprised. She asked him, who are you? How did my husband's mobile come to you? He said, my name is Bhanu. I am a student. I study in a college. I was walking on the bridge, on the overbridge in Vizag, a little close to the airport. Then I saw this mobile phone on the platform. He thought, how did a mobile phone come to the platform? He picked up the mobile and tried to open and call. But because Uncle G had a security password, he could not contact anybody. So he was waiting until someone calls the mobile. So that time, Auntie called and the boy said, I am having this mobile. How can I give it to uncle? Auntie was astonished. She could not believe. She said, I don't know. How did it fall? It is my husband's. I will call his friend Vaidya uncle and find where Uncle G is. So she immediately called Vaidya uncle and asked where they are staying, because Vaidya uncle also accompanied Uncle G. Vaidya uncle told, we are staying in Hotel Leela, and I know Uncle G had missed his phone while coming in a car from the airport. We were all very tensed. We were all very bothered. But Uncle G is calmly saying, I did not cheat anybody. I did not say any lies. I did not harm anybody. That is my hard-earned money. So I will get back my phone. Same way, what happened? Banu had picked up the phone. The phone had reached a good boy. Auntie called him immediately and told, Uncle G is in Hotel Leela. Can you please go and hand over the phone? Banu said, yes, Auntie, I will surely. Hotel Leela is very close to my house only, so I will go. Then Banu went along with his friend to Hotel Leela. There, Uncle G, with all other friends, welcomed him with a clap for his honesty also, and gave him a big bar of chocolate and appreciated him very much, saying that you did not try to take away the phone that doesn't belong to you. And for me also, my hard-earned money and my mobile came back to me. Everyone could not believe this, but it happened, and that is the price of being honest and good. So, you little children, you also should practice to stay good, not to tell lies, and do not take others' thing. Stay good, be good, until I catch you tomorrow with a new story. Bye-bye.